So good. Oh, you guys want some? I'm gonna show you guys how to make it real quick. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are in the world. I hope you guys are having a good day. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is David Sriracha. So today is Easter Sunday. I just want to get on here and wish you guys and your family a happy Easters. It's such a beautiful day today to be stuck inside the house, you know. And I know some of you guys can't be with your family today, and this COVID thing sucks, but you know, hopefully we get through this. We didn't go anywhere today, but we had like a little Easter hunt inside the house with the kid, and then we went outside to smash some eggs, and that's pretty much it. And recently I saw, you know, on Facebook that people keep on saying how easy it is to make, you know, BÁNH BaltiT CHIêN. If you don't know what BÁNH BaltiT CHIêN is, it's fried rice flour cake. It has egg, it has preserved radish, and it has green onions. It's pretty good for appetizer. And usually, you know, I would pay like, you know, $6–7 for one, but then, you know, people was like, yeah, it's so easy to mix. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. So to start off, we're gonna need a few ingredients. Most of these ingredients are available at the Asian market, preferably the Vietnamese one, because, you know, I don't know if you can find some of this at the Korean store or the Japanese store. So to start off, you're gonna need the rice cake. They have them available, you know, in the same aisle as the noodle, depending on what store you go to. But they go for around about from $4 to, you know, $4.50, and you get a whole big chunk of it. And then you're gonna need some green onions, and also you're gonna need some preserved radish. The preserved radish, it comes in either as a whole or it's already chopped up already. So just get the one that's already chopped up already, so you don't have to do extra work. And also I forgot one thing, which is the fried onions. You can make it yourself, or you know, you just buy it like this. Save yourself some trouble. So to start off, we're gonna cut the rice cake. For only $4, you get a whole chunk, whole big chunk. It just depends on your preference. You know, if you cut it small, then you can, you know, it'll take less time to cook. And all you do is cut it in third. So you have a chunk like this. Okay, so we're gonna start up. Let's just do medium heat. Then we're gonna add some oil. I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil. Make everything taste better. Okay, so now I'm gonna throw it in. I'm gonna do 12 of them since we're making a big one today. And then to make it cook faster, we're gonna throw a lid on there and let it cook. So while we wait for the rice cake to cook, we're gonna chop up the onions and we're gonna make the egg mixture. Alright, so since we make a pretty big one today, I'm gonna use 4 eggs. We're gonna beat it! Beat it! And then if you guys want to add a little bit of salt to it, you can. It's up to you guys. Just add a little bit of salt to it. And we're gonna add some green onion to it. I like green onions, so I'm gonna add a lot. You see it brown like this, you can just flip it over to the other side. We're gonna let it cook for a little bit more, and then while we wait, we're gonna make the sauce. Okay, and to make the sauce, it's pretty simple. You're gonna do 1 part soy sauce, and then 1 part sugars, and then 2 part water, and then half a part for vinegar. That's up to you. I mean, if you guys want to make it, you know, a little more sour, add some more vinegar. More sweeter, add more sugar. Simple. Alright, so I'm gonna do 1 sugar. And then we're gonna do 2 water. 1, 2. Just mix it up. And then we're just gonna do 1 soy sauce. We're gonna do half or whatever vinegar, and that's it. That's all you need for your sauce: sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, and water. All right, it looks pretty done right now, so we're gonna add in the egg mixture. tell me that doesn't look good. Throw in some of this preserved radish. Oh yeah, I like mine a lot. The more, the better it tastes. We're gonna close it back up, lower the heat, and let it cook for a little bit more. And then we're gonna sprinkle this with some fried onion. Alright, so I'm gonna add some sriracha to the sauce. Make everything taste better. By the way, I also make the Coca-Cola wing for my boy Kevin from Shop Bistro. Actually pretty good. But I add a little bit too much soy sauce in there, so it's a little bit salty, but otherwise it's pretty good. Pretty good recipe. Thanks, bro. So you guys ready? I made it so big it looked like a pizza. Dip it in the sauce. You guys see this? This is like a perfect combination together. The eggs, the rice cake, the green onions, and you got the preserved radish on top. Just dip it in the sauce. So good. I really don't know why I've been paying for it all these years when you can just make it yourself. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much if you stayed to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon. Go, 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 go.
I said the egg is when I said egg. The egg is when I said egg.